Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Alagir Ho. In today's class we are learning vectors remaining MCQ dear students. So let us see the 16th question what they had asked. Find the position vector of the midpoint of vector joining points P of 2, 3, 4, Q of 4, 1, minus 2. Very simple question dear students. We have to find here what position vector of midpoint of these 2 points. So let us write this one. Points I will write in a previous video you have seen. So points will be represented by what? O dear students. So always we will start with what points? Points vertices position vector. It will begin from origin. O means OP is given how much? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Can you see this point? That is OP, and OQ is given how much? OQ is given as 4i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap dear students. This is OQ. Then how to find what midpoint of position vector? Let us say midpoint is what R will say. Midpoint is R, OR we have to find. Position vector means what? Position vector of midpoint. Midpoint is R we are considering, and position vector means OR it will become. So OR is equal to what? This is the formula midpoint. OP plus OQ divided by 2 dear students. So this is what midpoint formula. Midpoint formula ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? R ನ midpoint formula midpoint ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Position vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ O ದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ಇದೇ ಅದರದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ midpoint formula. OP vector plus OQ vector divided by 2. So OP ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? So OP vector divided by OP plus OQ divided by 2. OP ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap plus OQ is what? 4i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap whole divided by 2 dear students. So I hope you are understanding. So now what you will get here, see 2 plus 4, 2i cap plus 4i cap, 6i cap, 3j cap plus j cap, that is 4j cap, 4k cap plus minus 2k cap, that is 4 minus 2 is plus 2k cap whole divided by 2 dear students. So you can take common here 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 dear students, whole divided by 2, and you got the answer as what? 3i cap plus 2j cap plus k cap dear student. This is the required answer. I will see which option. That is the option A dear students. A is the correct answer. I hope you understood this one. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. So let us continue dear students. Next question. So we'll see the 17th question what they had asked. The value of x for which x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. Then what is the value of x they had asked dear students? X ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So first what they had given, ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So what they had given this as unit vector. Unit vector means what? Magnitude is equal to 0 and sorry dear students, magnitude is equal to 1. Unit vector means, so see here, this is a vector, you multiply inside. So x I cap, x into j, x j cap, x into k, x k cap. And what they are given, that told this is what? This is a vector with what? Unit vector they are told. Unit vector means what? Magnitude is equal to 1 dear students. ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಈ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ how will find? You know this square root of how will find? Here x is x only, x square, and y square means what? X square only. Y is also x, z is also x. X square plus x square plus x square is equal to 1. How much you will get? X square plus x square, 2x square, 2x square plus x square, 3x square is equal to 1 dear students. So now squaring both sides, what you will get? Squaring both sides. SBS means what? Squaring both sides. So now what you will get? You see here. 3x square is equal to 1, dear students. 1 square is 1 only. No need of writing. Square and root will get cancelled. So now what you will get? X square is equal to 1 by 3. If you send square that side here, I mean it will become plus or minus square root 1 by 3. So now our answer will become what? Plus or minus square root 1 means 1 and square root 3. Root 3 is root 3 only, dear students. Root I ಎರಡು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇದೆ, 1 ಗೂ ಇದೆ 3 ಗೂ ಇದೆ. So root 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, root 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ root 3 ನ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So this is our required answer, dear students. So which will option matches? That match with what? C, dear students. Plus or minus is that? Minus is not there. That's why we will take it as answer 1 by root 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೋಣ 1 upon root 3 ಅಂತ ಉತ್ತರವನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So I hope you understood this. So please copy this. We'll see the next question then. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. So 18th one, you see, if AB vector is 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap and OB is 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap, then OA vector is equal to what? Very easy question, dear students. In this option you have to say. So now see, AB vector. First of all you say me, AB vector how we will find? OB minus OA, yes or no? AB vector na ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ? Terminal point minus initial point. So that is what? OB vector minus OA, dear students. Then what I have to find here? OA vector minus OA vector ಅನ್ನ ಎಡಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus OA vector it will become. Minus OA vector if you take on left hand side, it will become OA vector, dear students. OB vector plus AB you take this side, minus AB, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now OA vector only I have to find. So OB vector is how much? OB vector is given 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Will you agree? OB vector is this I have written, minus AB vector is what? 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap, dear students. I hope it is clear. OA vector you see what will get? 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. So minus into 2i, minus 2i, minus into minus, plus j, minus into k is minus into plus is minus, minus k cap you will get. So OA vector is what now? So see here, 3i cap minus 2i cap, that is I cap, minus 4j cap plus 1j cap, minus 4 plus 1, minus 3j cap, dear students. 4k cap minus k cap is plus 3k cap, and which is the correct option you have to observe here. So that will match with option A only, dear students. Yes. So I hope you understood this one. So we'll see the next question. If you are understanding from this video something, please like my channel, because each like will inspire me to do the next video, dear students. So please help and support me. Don't forget to like. Please ಏನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ. ಫೈನ್. So ನನಗೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, dear students. So this is totally free of cost, you know that. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question number 19. The position vector of a point which divides the join of points with position vectors 3 vector A minus 2 B vector and A vector plus B vector internally in the ratio 2:1 is a very nice question and very beautifully they are given. That is section formula you have to use here, dear students. So position vector of a point which divides, that means position vector we will take it as R only. So this is what position whose points are given. Position vector are what? I will say this first one as OP vector. OP vector is what? 3A vector minus 2B vector, and second one we will say it as what? OQ vector. OQ vector is what? Vector A plus B. So internally in the ratio is given what? 2:1. 2:1 is taken as m is to n, dear students. Internally, it is what? Internally cutting what? In the ratio m is to n. M is to n means m value is 2 and n value is 1, dear students. So I have to find what internally the point of which the point will divide the this line P and Q, dear students. So how to find? You see here OR is equal to, so internally formula is this one. R is only dividing what? PQ, dear students, in the ratio. See here PQ, R is dividing internally in the ratio m is to n. So this formula only we are writing here, that is m into OQ plus n into OP, m into B plus n into A you will write now similarly. So whole divided by m plus n, dear students. This is the formula we are using and this is not required. So now see here, m you substitute and OQ you know very well. So m is what? 2. OQ is what, dear students? OQ is A plus B and n is what? Plus n is what? N is 1 and OP is what? 3A vector minus 2B vector whole divided by what? M plus n means 2 plus 1. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? R ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? P ಮತ್ತು Q ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದಾಗಿನ ಹಿಡಿದನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, SLC ಹಿಡಿದನು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 into A vector 2A vector 2 into B vector 2B vector 1 into anything is same 3A vector minus 2B vector whole divided by 3, dear students. I hope it is clear everyone. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So now see OR vector what we will get? 2A vector plus 3A vector 5A vector 5 vector A and 2B vector minus this will get cancelled, I think. Whole divided by 3 plus 2B vector minus 2B vector will get cancelled. It will remain with what? 5A vector divided by 3 vector, dear students. I hope it is clear. Understood or not? So let us see the which option will matches. That is matching with A, dear students. I hope it is clear. So we will see the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you are copied. We will see the next question, dear students. So question number 20. Two vectors, vector P is equal to 2 I cap plus B j cap plus 2 k cap and vector Q is equal to I cap plus j cap plus k cap will be parallel. Parallel means, you know, dear students, they are collinear. Yes or no? In previous video I had discussed this only. If they are parallel means they are what? Proportional, dear students. Parallel ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. सो प्रोपोर्शनल कैसा होता है? देखो 2 I cap plus B J cap plus 2 K cap, correct? This is vector P and vector Q is what? I cap plus J cap plus K cap, correct? So this is nothing but A1, this is B1, this is C1, dear students. Here nothing is there means 1 will be there, that is A2 and this is B2 and this is C2, dear students. Are you getting my point? These are only will become proportional if two vectors P and Q are parallel means they are proportional. P ಮತ್ತು Q ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಅದು ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ A1 by A2 B1 by B2 if they are parallel means you have to write this. ಅವು ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2. A1 is what? 2. A2 is what? 1. So B1 is what? B. I mean B2 is how much? B2 is 1. And C1 is how much? 2. And C2 is how much? 1. So ಇವು ಎರಡು ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇವೆರಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ B1 B by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. How much you will get? You see, B by 1 is equal to 2 by 1. These I am making equal. Are you getting? I am making these are equal. So now see, B by 1 is B, 2 by 1 is 2. That means our B value will become how much? That is 2, dear students. 2 is what? Option number C, dear students. I hope you understood. So this is clear. If you want, you can make these are also equal. So B value will become 1 only, I mean 2 only, dear students. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಎರಡೂನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So I hope you it is clear. So we'll see the next question. So please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Find the angle theta of the vector AB vector if the projection of vector AB will be BA, dear students. Very easy question, dear students. Easily you can find here. So now see, first of all you should know projection of a vector A on B. Projection of vector A on B, I will write A on B. Projection of vector A on B, we'll write like this. Can you remember this? A dot B divided by magnitude B. Yes sir. Projection of vector A on B is what? A dot B divided by magnitude B, you will write, dear students. So now see, A dot B, we are having a formula. Magnitude of A into magnitude B into cos theta whole divided by magnitude B. So magnitude B get cancelled. That means projection of vector A on B is what? Just it is a magnitude of vector A into cos theta, dear students. Projection of vector A on B ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. Vector A dot B divided by magnitude B. A dot B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Magnitude A magnitude B cos theta divided by magnitude B. Magnitude B cancel ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಉಳಿತೇನು? Magnitude A into cos theta, dear students. Easily how to remember I am saying. So ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So ನಮಗೆ projection of vector A on B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Magnitude A into cos theta. So ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. So if theta is 0, what you will get? You think this vector A only AB, you think. So vector AB is only A. So I am saying vector AB is only A, dear students. I hope magnitude A. Correct? Vector AB anna ಏನಂತ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ? Magnitude A we have taken. Clear? If theta is 0, what will happen? What you will get? If theta is 0, cos 0 is how much? 1. Cos 0 is how much? 1. 1 into magnitude A. Magnitude A ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? AB ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So magnitude A is taken as what? AB only, no? This will get only answer cos. I am saying what? Cos 0 is what? 1. 1 into magnitude A. Magnitude A and magnitude A is nothing but what? AB vector, I am saying. Understood? Clear? So if it is theta is 90 degree. Cos 90 is how much? 0. 0 into anything is what? 0. Projection will be 0. If theta is 90 degree, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ 0 ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಆಗಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಪೈ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಪೈ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಸ್ ಪೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Negative, dear students. Cos pi is how much? -1. Cos pi ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? -1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. -1 into magnitude A, magnitude vector A you will get, dear students. Minus, this is a minus sign indicates what? It is in opposite direction. Correct? So that means this will be what? Is equal to minus AB, dear students. AB. Minus AB means what? If you reverse this, again direction will change. Minus into minus it will become what? BA, dear students. Vector BA. समझ में आ रहा है ना what I am saying? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ AB ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು BA ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. So understood? These angles you should know. Theta is 0 means AB only will get. Projection is same only. What the vector is there, no same you will get. If theta is 90, no projection. If theta is pi, that means opposite your projection will be negative, dear students. AB vector कितना है ना, उसका उल्टा BA आता है. Understood? Is it clear everyone? चमका के नहीं सबको? All of you understood, I feel. So then what you will get the answer you see here. So now see, find the angle of what? Vector AB. Projection of AB vector will be what? BA. When AB vector will become BA, BA vector, so that is in cos pi, dear students, because you know theta is pi. AB vector is what? Minus AB means that is nothing but BA only, dear students. AB vector is giving what? Minus AB means what? That is BA you are saying. BA is also what? Negative only, dear students. That's why this is what BA vector is. When it will become, you know, that is at theta is equal to pi degree, dear students. So that's why our option will go for what? B. I hope it is clear whatever I had explained, I feel. So if you are having any doubts, please comment me. I will go through your comments and I will again revise it once again if you are not understanding. ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಪೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಗುರ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಎನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಪೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. So AB vector is minus AB is there. If you convert to BA, no, minus into minus plus it will become. Yes or no? AB vector is equal to BA vector when it will happen? If theta is what? Pi, dear student. Understood? Artha agide ankondiddini. So we'll see the next question. Please copy this. More explanation I had done. So I hope all of you are copied. We will see the next question, dear students. So the projection of vector A on vector BC here. So very easiest question, dear students. You know projection of, just now we have discussed projection of vector A on B. What you will get? A dot B divided by magnitude B, dear students. So A dot B. A is what? 2 I cap 3 j cap plus 2 k cap. So dot what? Vector B is what? I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap whole divided by magnitude B. Magnitude means how we will find? Square root of x square plus y square plus z square. X is what here? Magnitude B here. X is 1, 1 square. Y is what? 2, 2 square. Z is what? 1, 1 square. So how much you will get? You see. How you will multiply dot product? You know dot is there here. 2 1 ja 2. Nothing is there means 1. I dot I is 1 only. So 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are 2, dear students. Whole divided by how much you will get this? So 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 1 square is 1. So how much you will get? 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 2 10 and square root of 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer will match with A, dear students. So I hope you understood. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. Let us continue, dear students. So now see here. The projection of vector I cap plus j cap along I cap minus j cap is. First we will give the name for that. Vector A is nothing but I cap plus j cap and vector B is nothing but I cap minus j cap. So now see here. Projection of vector A along B. So A on B they are saying. Projection of A along B means so nothing but A on B only, dear students. So A dot B divided by magnitude B, dear students. So A is what? I cap plus j cap dot B is what? I cap minus j cap, dear students. Whole divided by magnitude of vector B. Magnitude how we will find? X square, that is 1 square, and y square. Y square is minus 1. Minus 1 square we can write. So now you know how to take the dot product. So I to I multiply. 1 into 1, just now we have solved. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into minus 1, minus 1 whole divided by. So how much you will get? 1 square 1. Minus 1 square is also 1 only, dear students. Don't write minus 1. Why minus 1? Some will write like that. That's why I am saying minus 1 square is 1, dear students. Don't get confused. So now 1 minus 1 is 0, square root 2. So 0 by square root 2 is 0, dear students. This is our required answer. Our answer will matching with C. C is the answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this. So let us continue, dear students. That is 24 question. Projection vector of vector A on B is. So no need of saying much more. I hope you understood which is the option. You will only say without my help. So you know, just now we have discussed projection of vector A on B, dear students. A on B is what? That is none other than D option, dear student. A on B means what? A dot B divided by magnitude B. No need of much more explanation. Direct question. So you can write. So if you are understanding anything from this video, please like the channel. Don't forget. Because I need your help and support always. So you will do. I know that. So ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So please copy this. We'll see the next question, dear students. So we'll see the next question, dear students. So how to solve this one? You see here. The angle between the vectors, vector A and vector B with magnitudes √3 and 2 respectively, and A dot B is √6 is very easiest question, dear students. We have to find the angle between vector A and B. Angle means theta we have to find. So it is very easy to solve. This is a halva question for you. Board is giving halva. Nodri halva kodta ide board. So now see here. What they have given, the angle between the two vectors A and B with magnitude. Magnitude of vector A is given how much? √3, and magnitude of vector B is given 2, dear students. This √3 and 2 are nothing but magnitude of vector A and B. Clear? So now A dot B is already given. A dot B is √6, dear students. So this A dot B I can write like this. Will you agree? √6 I can write 2 into 3. 2 3s are how much? 6 only. So root belongs to 2 also. √3. I can write A dot B like this. Will you agree, everyone? I hope you will agree. So now see here. Cos theta. If you are understanding, please send the heart in the comment section, dear students. So I will understand whether you are understanding or not. Fine. So now see here. A dot B divided by magnitude A into magnitude B. This is the formula for finding what? Angle between the two vectors. So now see here, what we will get? Cos theta is equal to A dot B is how much? A dot B, that is √2 into √3 whole divided by. So A dot B is √2 into √3. So magnitude A is how much? Magnitude A is √3 and magnitude B is how much? 2, dear students, into 2. So √3 get cancelled. √2 by 2 is remaining. What you are remaining with? √2 by 2. √2 by 2 is nothing but 1 by √2, dear students. √2 by 2 andre 1 by √2 ne. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. So no confusion, dear students. √2 by 2 is 1 by √2 only. Don't get confused. So cos theta is equal to, when it will become cos, in which angle 1 by √2 will come? Cos 45 degree, dear students. So cos get cancelled. Your angle is how much? Theta is equal to pi by 4. Then our option is matching with B. B for bingo. Bingo is the answer, dear students. I hope it is clear. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So because each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನನಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೀವು. ಸೊ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಲೈಕ್ಸಿಗೂ ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. So will not take any money from you, not like other channels, like others will take now. Please subscribe, means subscription le lo 3,000 4,000. We are not selling our education system here. Got it? It is given totally free of cost. I hope you are understanding. So we'll meet you in my next class. So tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you, dear students. Please copy this.